Hello mama and welcome. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to use an electric breast pump step by step. Whether you're pumping for storage, comfort, or to support your milk supply, this will help you pump confidently. Before we start, let's look at the main parts of an electric breast pump. Most pumps include a breast flange or shield, a connector piece, tubes that attach to the motor, a milk collection bottle, and the electric pump motor, which creates suction automatically. Some pumps also have valves or backflow protectors to keep milk out of the tubing. Before pumping, wash your hands. Make sure all pump parts are clean and dry. Sit somewhere comfortable and relaxed. A warm towel or gentle breast massage for 1 to 2 minutes can help stimulate letdown. Now let's begin. Place the flange on your breast and make sure your nipple is centered. It should feel snug and comfortable. If you feel pinching or rubbing, you may need a different flange size. Turn on the pump and start at the lowest suction level. Most electric pumps begin with a stimulation mode, which uses quick, gentle suction to help trigger letdown. Once milk starts flowing steadily, switch to expression mode. This mode uses slower, deeper suction to remove milk more effectively. Adjust the suction until it feels strong enough to express milk but still comfortable. Pumping should not be painful.